This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the core constraints: mood, length, tempo, and license. Once done, open 2-3 music libraries and filter by tempo and mood. Make sure to select the correct license type. While you preview, mark timestamps of usable sections, because that saves edit time. Also, export a 30-60 second reference clip from your video to test fit. This first step gets you out of guesswork and into targeted discovery, so you can find tracks that actually support your story. Now you evaluate candidate tracks with purpose. Load each into your timeline and trim to the most emotional 10-30 second section, then try tempo matching or a 1/2 speed test to see groove compatibility. Make sure to listen on headphones and speakers. Differences reveal masking issues. Once a track feels right, verify key, stems, and available edits, because stems let you duck or remove elements easily. Finally, confirm the license and any required attribution before you commit to an edit. Finish by baking the selected music into a proof render so you can evaluate pacing and mix in real time. Once done, adjust levels, automate fade-ins, and apply sidechain or EQ to avoid vocal masking. Make sure to save a version with and without music. If licensing seems unclear, pause and secure a written license or choose an alternative track. Don't guess. Troubleshooting tip: if sync or legality is in doubt, use a simple loopable instrumental or retime a CC licensed track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.